A little fun fact, this is the only commentary I'm going to be doing in this video. This cap actually came from this R&M original. Reason being, this light here came with this 42-inch. And this actually broke. I didn't break it. I guess in the listing it wasn't broken, so it's almost definite that when these were being transported to my house, because the seller of all 5 fans, the originals and the Turn of the Century Deluxe, when she delivered them to my house, this must have been sitting on the floor of the car, or the fan tipped over and this got crushed. And it would explain a lot, because this fan was actually the most oily, because when I opened the garbage bags, all 4 originals were oily, but this one was by far the most oily. So yeah, that's all I have to say.